of the behavioral competencies, needless to say, we've spent enough time on this. Communication, very, very important. You would have already gathered that from Sarika and Priya yesterday while they were talking about how important communication is for a BA. It is like a given. If you are, so communication doesn't mean speaking with accent or speaking, fluently. It's all about listening. I think if you ask me more, it's more about listening than about speaking. So it's all about how you're actively listening and being able to understand the problem or understand the other person's point of view, and then being able to extract. That's where the requirement elicitation comes in. It's not requirements gathering. It's about eliciting. It's about something which is not said explicitly, which is not out there explicitly, but we kind of investigate, we explore, we dive deep, and then we try and get the requirements out from there. So that is something, that is again a skill, and we need to have that. Again, that's a part of communication, active listening. And if you ask me, a business analyst need to be a great listener than a great speaker. So I think that's a given. I believe that, and I've been practicing it for the last 20 years. I don't go out and say things just like that, but I would like to listen to various perspectives, understand what they're trying to say, what is the hidden meaning, what's the hidden agenda, and things like that. Ask the right questions. So that's the key skill. And then communicating across these different channels, different platforms. Nowadays, you've got so many different networks, so many different options for communicating in different ways, professionally and socially. People are on their mobile phone nowadays more than on their desk phones. Even on, for example, funnily enough, the bar between the kind of line between the personal and professional life, that's actually kind of erased as we speak. So much, it's kind of getting really blurry. So you tend to work from home. You actually can switch between Netflix on one screen and then have a meeting on the other, or work on your desktop for your office. So it's all about the personal and the professional and the personal lives getting intermingled. And that's where we really need to be able to understand as BAs how we can take advantage of these, not necessarily for our own work, but also for making sure that the products, the processes that we are coming out, they fit into the evolving lifestyles.